How can you show different layers in Photoshop outside the canvas, like in Illustrator? In Illustrator, you can use an artboard and you can move everything around outside the canvas. But in Photoshop, everything gets cut off by the canvas. I want to be able to move these photos out over here and actually be able to see it. We can do that in Photoshop. Up in the left-hand corner of your tool palette, we have the Transform tool. Click and hold and get the Artboard tool. Then, at the top of your canvas, click and drag, and this will create an artboard. Now I can see everything outside of my artboard. This works just like Illustrator for the most part, except if I bring something that hovers over the inside and the outside of the artboard, automatically works as a clipping mask. So there's no way to really see this part and this part. But it's really convenient because I can bring things out over here and kind of see all the stuff that I'm working on. This is especially useful if you're using, so hopefully you can use artboards in Adobe Photoshop